Hello and welcome to the May edition of CMS News. Relief Sculpture Camp completed. The 5,000 square feet wall of CMS College Kottayam is no longer just a wall, but rather a beautiful depiction of the vast legacy of the growth and development of education in Kerala, closely portraying the exquisite contributions of the college to this vast moment. The 200 years legacy of CMS and its milestones have been captured by 30 artists from across the state. The 60 frames depicting the college involvements in areas such as the education renaissance, the upliftment of women and nature. The historical achievement of the college to register 3 women students for the first time in India. Chana writes, the role of the college in Pantibhojanam, Swadhi Tirunal visit to the college are some of the important events that have been depicted in the campus wall of the college. This relief sculpture style paintings were completed under the leadership of artist T.R. Udikumar, former executive committee member of Lalitha Kala Academy. CMS welcomes new faculty members. 10 faculty members were appointed in departments of Malayalam, Botany, Zoology, Chemistry and Mathematics. Shalini Ramachandran, Dr. Smita Daniel S.L., Dr. Archana A.K. from Malayalam Department, Jisha John from Botany Department, Alina El Samani, Elvin Thomas from Zoology Department, Dr. Jagadish K., Dr. Jisha Babu, Dr. Noble V. Thomas from Chemistry Department, Dr. Vivek S. from Mathematics Department are the new recruited faculties. Exam results published. 2019 to 2022 undergraduate examination results published. 79.955% students passed the examination. The art stream scored 82.93%, science stream with 74.52%, commerce stream with 89.05 pass percentage, BA English Language and Literature, BA English Literature, Communication and Journalism, BSc Botany and Biotechnology, BCom, Finance and Taxation, Self-Finance departments scored about 90%. 4th semester examination date announced. 2nd semester undergraduate examinations are scheduled from 13 June and 4th semester postgraduate examinations are scheduled from 1st June. Further details are made available on college website. CMS College students secured scholarship abroad. The students of Chemistry Department, CMS College, secured PhD admission in top universities with full tuition fee waiver, scholarship and stipend of 25 lakhs per month. Sudesh Devadas received a PhD of Mackinnon University, USA. Shinto Francis received PhD offer from Clemson University, USA. And Aishwarya A received PhD offer from Ohio State University, USA. Dialectos 7th episode released. In the 7th episode of Dialectos, Conversation with Great Minds, the principal, Dr. Verghese G. Joshua, conversed with modern art critic, writer, documentary director, curator John M.L. He holds postgraduate degrees from several foreign universities and has made many contributions in the fields of art and culture. The interview was in great depth about art and its availability. Factors influencing artists' work of the art, crisis encountered during construction, commercial interventions in art, the relevance of museums, the influence of art in cultural formation, and the need for people's art to be accepted were the topic conversed. Interview episode released. The 2nd episode of Interview Conversation with Principal Dr. Verghese Joshua was published on the college YouTube channel. He talked about the changes brought by the COVID-19 in the educational system and how colleges should be a word of thought without boundaries. Amal Raj, 2nd MSc Applied Chemistry, had the opportunity to converse with the principal. Digital education policies aim in introducing new education policy in academics, importance of global education, new trend in college education in the coming years were the topic discussed in the episode. Interview registration started. Interview is a platform that will make an opportunity for the students to interact with the principal, Dr. Verghese G. Joshua. Students can register easily through students' login credentials. It's an easier way to connect with the principal and college. Vanida Shilpashala conducted. CMS College Women's Study Center and Aksharastri jointly organized a women's workshop on the ways of writing. The two-day Prajodita Vanita Sahitya Shilpashala, organized by the Prajodita Charitable Trust, was held on May 14th-15th. State Women's Commission Chairperson Advocate P. Sadi Devi inaugurated the program. Renowned writer and critic S. Sharadakutti was the chief guest. College Principal Dr. Verghese C. Joshua presided over the function. Ladika Subhash, Chairperson, Kerala Forest Development Corporation, greeted the gathering. Short story collection by Communicative English Department. The third year undergraduate students of Communicative English Department of our college published an anthology titled Over of Words. The book, containing 29 short stories, was compiled under the guidance of former head of the department, Dr. Gigi Joseph, and Assistant Professor Ms. Ashwati Mary Verghese. The book launch was held in Joseph N. Hall on 30th May 2022. The Vice Principal, Dr. Renu Jacob, launched the book and delivered the inaugural address. Dr. Anil Kumar Vadavadur, Regional Director and Academic Head of the Indian Institute of Mass Communication, Kottayam, was the chief guest for the event. Professor Dr. Aniyamma Joseph, President of Aksharastri, was the special guest for the event. Professor Jacob Epan Kunnatha, Head of the Department of English, and Professor Ditto Prasad delivered felicitations. College Union initiated towards plastic-free campus. CMS College Union 2021-2022 took initiative towards environmental conservation by organizing a step towards plastic-free campus on 7th May 2022 at 3 p.m. Let's make our campus more green was the motto of the program. Programs undertaken by NSS. NSS unit of our college conducted a webinar on the topic Tobacco and its harmful effects in association with Indian Medical Association, Trivandrum branch. Dr. Prashant CV, State Convener, Public Health Awareness Committee, Indian Medical Association, spoke in this occasion. The event was conducted on May 31 at 7:30 p.m. in association with World Non-Tobacco Day on Zoom platform. The NSS unit of our college conducted state-level webinar Dreams on Wheels and a hashtag campaign, hashtag #RampMyKerala by Nishan Nazar, Mr. Wheelchair India Finalist 2022, Diligent Bopo Model 2021 on 4th of May 2022 through Google Meet. Intercollegiate photography contest conducted as a part of Environment Week celebration. Manusha Nirmita Malinikarnam was the topic. Quiz competition was conducted on the topic Parasthriye Ariyuka. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the official YouTube channel and Instagram page for more updates. This is Mita Prakash signing off.